Hey everybody, it's another unboxing with Stickii Club. This is going to be the cute pack, right? Right. For the month of October 2022. Just a reminder, of course, and always, I am visually impaired. I use the reader glasses on my face, the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details. And there we go. That was a lot smoother than it usually is. Okay. Are you going to come out? Okay, there we go. Alright, you get a sneak peek while I toss that away. And here's the front. I see a lot of cute things. I see some foxes. Foxes are very, very cute. Alright, let's get out our theme sticker. They've redone the packaging. It's a different material than it used to be. And some of the vinyl stickers kind of stick to it a little bit, depending on, you know, what's going on with the weather. All right, let's see here. Foxes in fall. Oh, that's definitely cute. Cute as a button. Foxes in fall. I was wondering what they were going to do. Any stickers that show up for this month are going to be for next month, like always. So all of the Halloween-y stuff is already over. That is definitely adorable. Okay, our second pocket here. We're still getting vinyl stickers. You know, I honestly miss the paper clips that we used to get. Oh, goodness, that was really in there. Oh, look at that sweet little fox. Here's the artist that made it, if there's any. But that's a sweet little fox. Just taking a nap. Really, what does the fox say? Alright, looks like we got a notepad here. Alright. I'm gonna need a little bit more. There we go. Uncle Petey. Oh, this is so cute. One, why is that house so little right there and that fox so giant? And it loves little mushrooms. Oh. These are adorable. Plenty of pages. I love these little notebooks. They're good for a little bit on the go. So that way you could always change them out if you wanted to. Have these little note pages. Alright, it looks like we got 5 solid pages, solid sheets. 2 the clear, and then this item, which I'm going to open up first. Alright, here's the artist marker, the branding on the back here, if it's going to focus. You know how focus works for us. Well, it seems like more note pages. Oh my goodness. Why aren't you coming out? There we go. Yeah, they're definitely not stickers. And you get a couple of them. Alright, let's see what's on them. They look like just like for like list making or something. Like you've ever seen a shopping list? Ever seen a shopping list? You know, pre phones. Okay, so it's just solid lines. Alright, and then down the bottom here is the cutest little foxes, of course. Are you at an amusement park? Are you going to a park? Is it Scarborough Fair? I don't know. I think it's cute. Sometimes I really, really love when they add like little like things. They take away, like normally it's 8 sheets of stickers, but they take away to like put something else in there, and it's always a nice surprise. I think I really like these. Yeah, these are cute. If they usually put something in there in lieu of a sticker sheet, it's a postcard. Okay, let's get rid of those. All right, let's move on to our sticker sheets. Whoop. All right, we've got lemons. Lots and lots of lemons. I don't like to eat lemons. I like to drink lemons. There we go. That's a little better, don't you think? If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that I don't like lemons, especially if you watch the bunch pack ones. But these are very cute. Very, very cute. The Y Studio. I feel like we've gotten ones from them before. Alright. There we go. Give you a full sheet, full looky-loo. And then I can have a look. It never zooms in far enough for me, or too far. I wonder if this is the same maker, because we got some more yellow goodness, but more cutesy in this one. These are adorable. Oh, look at the little Tamagotchi. It's a peach. Nope, completely different. Milk bread. Very adorable. Here's our next sheet. Wow, these are interesting. I really like these. You notice there's a whole like yellow theme with the stickers so far? This kind of reminds me of cottagecore. You know, like with the forest reclaiming the mixer stand here. There's still some foxes in here too. Very, very foxy. Very foxy. We got a holographic sheet here. I want to say it's got sparkles all over it. Until I zoom in, I won't know. Very sparkly. Let's see if I can tilt this so I can see it. Hold on. Okay. If you hear any rustling, it's my cat who's trying to get behind a couch. Why I don't... Oh, that's so cute. That one right there is so adorable. Why, I don't know. Why do cats do the things they do? I get it to a point where the sparkles are in the way and then I have to move the whole thing. Here's our branding, if you can see that. Is that a little ducky? So cute. Okay, our last clear sheet is actually our washi tape one. Let me see here. I don't know what is up with my throat today. Oh, those are so cute. There's like breakfasts and stuff. Breakfasts? Okay, so they're all the same. There's just washi tape of what looks like breakfast. That is adorable. Those are adorable. I love that. All right, now we need to grab one of these, turn it around so that we could see the clear sheets. Put this here and turn it to the side for you so that you could see it. And then super zoom. Oh, they're ginkgo leaves from a ginkgo tree. You know, ginkgo paloma. There you go, Mom. That's for you. I don't think she watches my videos, but is there a face on that one? That's cute. Yeah. She thinks I chitter chatter too much. I do. It's not a lie. Okay. And our last see-through sheet, clear sheet. I don't know what to call them. Right, there we go. You can see. Alrighty then. We got some more, looks like mushrooms. Mushrooms. I love mushrooms. They are tasty and delicious. Look at the forest creatures just having fun. I actually really enjoy this. This is adorable. To have the everybody pretty much just one theme. Absolutely one theme. So there we go. There we have it. We have 7 sticker sheets, 2 stationary items, meaning the 2 notepad paper items, our vinyl sticker, and our theme sticker. So what do you guys think? Do you like foxes? Was this a very nice set for November? I think it is. I can't wait to decorate for my November month with these stickers in my planner. Thank you for coming along, and I hope you will come with me again in my next video. Bye-bye.